Stop using pivot tables. Use this instead. Let's say that you have this really large table with information about Jovi's Furniture Company. So you have employee names, furniture items, order number, date sold, and so much data. And you're in charge of breaking down this table into a brief report that shows the breakdown of the furniture items and their sales. So we want to group these furniture items and then show their cumulative or their sum of sales. Well, to do this, you could use a pivot table or you can even use subtotals, but a quicker way is to just use the group by function. Here's how. First, type equals, then type group by, and then type in open parentheses, and then for the first argument, our row fields, we're going to select the furniture item column, and then type a comma, and then for the next argument, our values, this is going to be sales, so I'm going to select our sales column, and then type another comma, and then for this argument, we're going to type sum because we want to sum the sales for each furniture item. So I'll type sum, close it off, press enter, and that's going to automatically give me a breakdown of all the unique furniture items and their sum of sales without having to create a pivot table or doing subtotals or anything fancy like that. All right, that's it. For more Excel efficiency hacks, comment Excel and I'll DM you my 26 need to know Excel shortcuts cheat sheet.